What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a cotton dispenser. I got this little plastic thing from Dollar Tree, and I got this cardboard. It was a leftover from a project, so I'm measuring the top because I want to make a cover for it. I'm going to cut it off camera because it was kind of hard. And I'm going to add Mod Podge onto the little plastic thing so I can add the decorative scents. I got it from Joann's. It's like a fabric store. So this is it on the side. I'm adding E6000 glue. I have this little thing, I don't know what it's called, but I wish I knew. I would leave the name down below, or I would tell you what it is. This is actually the little thing, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, so I just added like in the bottom of it and I cut it. So this is the top. I got this little doorknob from Home Depot, and I'm making a hole in the center of it so I can make the top. And now I'm spraying it gold. It's a spray paint. I got it from Home Depot. So, and this is the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that little thing again. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna use it again to put it on the top. I'm gonna use the E6000 glue for it. So here you go. Here goes nothing. You look so sexy. So, and I'm gonna spray the part where I added the decorative sands. I'm gonna spray it so I can make it gold. All right, so this is it. It was very easy, and here I am taking the cuttings out of that little plastic and adding them into my disposal, and there you go. It was so easy. If you do have any comments or anything, let your girl know. But get into it.